Very good morning to our RANsquawk listeners. Welcome to the European rundown for today, Thursday the 10th of March. Just coming through now, 11 o'clock here in London, a quick check round the markets. And undoubtedly the big news story has been that of a sovereign downgrade in peripheral markets, where we've seen Spain cut by one notch by Moody's and with an outlook negative. Did initially see a spike in the Bund future around 7:30 this morning, around 50 ticks, and Euro-dollar in the currency pair fell around 50 pips after the initial news. Again, a one-notch downgrade there. That has contributed to some initial widening in the peripheral spreads. However, we start to see around half of that move being retraced. In particular, the Portuguese over Bund spread is now trading around 10 basis points tighter, even in spite of that move. Most analysts interpreting the latest action from Moody's as somewhat a measured approach rather than anything particularly significant. They're looking more toward the new capitalisation levels for the savings banks there. Other than that, though, in terms of other things to keep an eye on, we've seen WTI crude and the entire energy complex come under a bit of pressure. Crude futures down around 50 cents or so. In particular, interesting comment out of the Gulf Council, the GCC, who are looking to plough a further $10 billion into the likes of Oman and also Bahrain in order to quell any political uncertainties and political fears there. As such, crude has moved a little lower in spite of ongoing fighting in Libya. And elsewhere, as we look ahead now, we'll have the Bank of England interest rate decision. All 61 economists are expecting rates today to be maintained at 0.5%, although hikes from the central bank are expected to come within the first half of this year. No great shakes though are expected from the decision today. It would be a big surprise if that did happen. Looking forward in terms of US data, we've got trade balance, the weekly jobless. We'll also wrap up the issuance from the Treasury today. We'll have the 30-year note auction this evening. So that concludes the opening wrap here in Europe. So I'll have another update to the cash equity close. For the time being though, have yourself a great trading day.